Welcome to the Marshall Pruett Podcast, presented by Cooper Tires. Have a quick audio feature for you here. This is from the recent Rolex Monterey Motorsports Reunion held in August at WeatherTech Raceway Laguna Seca, where Nissan was the featured manufacturer. And one of the great little features, it's only a couple minutes long, but was offered up by a friend, Paul Ryan, said, "Hey mate, follow me and grab your audio recorder." And so we walked outside as one of the old crew pulled off the engine cover from the 1988 IMSA GTP Super Extra Dominant GTP car, known as Elvis, that they fired up just simply for the sake of firing up and letting folks enjoy the sound of a 3-liter turbocharged V6 that, as you can hear, just has snarling capabilities of 800 plus horsepower. It's genuinely wicked. Gets revved up a couple times, and yeah, it takes me back at least to that 1988 season, having seen a fair number of those races, working as a crew member, as a mechanic, in some support series that were involved in the IMSA GTP races. So yeah, just a lovely quick trip back when power was power, and there was no BOP, there was no nuttin'. It was just, hey, go do incredible things, make crazy power, and put on a wonderful display for the fans. So that's what we have here. You know, you can get every episode of the Marshall Pruett Podcast on iTunes, on Podbean, also on Google Play. We have a variety of other options through Stitcher and a number of aggregators online. You can also head to our Facebook page, the Marshall Pruett Podcast, where I post everything the moment that it goes up. All right, just a real quick one here. 1988 Nissan GTP car, 3 liters of V6 turbocharged Fury. And that was it. I hope you enjoyed it. Got a couple of other warm-up audio features that I'll roll out here from both the Rolex and some other in-car audio, and trying to do a little bit of a clearinghouse here with a ton of ambient and in-car audio that's been sitting on my hard drive for a couple of years. So, although this is not the oldest one by any stretch, figured it was a great place to start. All right, I'm Marshall Pruitt. This is the Marshall Pruitt Podcast presented by Cooper Tires. Thank you for listening.